Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Legends not installing. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do, first click here and now go to background apps, and if you found it like that, just enable this option and make sure Microsoft Store is turned on, and now just keep scrolling down until you find Xbox, turn it on, and then just close it. And after that, go to apps and features, click here and now type Xbox, advanced options, now click repair, and after that just go and try again. If that doesn't fix your problem, now reset the applications, and after that it must be fixed, and then go to apps and features if you want to fix Microsoft Store and just do the same thing, type Microsoft Store, click on it, advanced options, repair it, and if that doesn't fix it, reset it. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.